Hi, everyone! Welcome to our listening channel. I hope you enjoy learning and have fun. Don't forget to follow us and comment on what adventure you'd like to see next. See you later!
Oh no! It's 7:30! It's 7:30! Our flight is at 10! We need to go now! Leo, wake up! We're late!
What time is it? Is it late?
Mom, please. Just 5 more minutes.
Ah! No 5-minute breaks today. We're going to Costa Rica! Wow!
Ha! Costa Rica? Ha! Jungle? And monkeys?
Time for vacation! Shoes? Check. Swimsuit? Check. Sunscreen? Check. Let's go! I can't find them anywhere. Leo! They have to be here. Ugh, where did they go?
Your green shoes are under your pillow.
Leo! Let's see,
Oh no, are we gonna be late?
1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. I have the passports and the tickets. Is everyone ready? Whew. Ha!
Let's go! This trip will be unforgettable. I'm ready for this adventure. Let's go!
No, this can't be right. Why isn't it taking us to the airport? This road is closed. Wait, I see an alternate route. Okay, yeah, found one. Calm down, everyone. We're back on the right track.
We have to hurry. It's the last call. But the plane is taking off. Don't worry, Theo. We'll make it. Wow! We did it! Yes, we did! Wow, that's great! Let's embark on our adventure. Our trip will be unforgettable.
that! Wow, it's so beautiful!
Whoa, a waterfall!
Look, Theo, it's a toucan. It winked at us. Wow, look at that! Oh, I can see it now. It's so big. Wow, look at them go! This is the best day ever! Look, it's a toucan. Look at its big beak. Wow, incredible. Wow, look at that. It's so big and beautiful. It's the biggest bird I've ever seen.
Look at this! Oh, how perfect!
Thank you so much, everyone. Comment below what you liked and what adventure you'd like to see next. If you can, please help us by following and commenting. See ya next time. Bye-bye.